Cristiano Ronaldo, superstar football player, was hit with a $1 billion worth of class action lawsuit for promoting
finance.
But there is a twist. Because this is not because of the NFTs, and the market didn't feel it, so it doesn't seem that it created any panic. Hey everyone, my name is Sabi, we are the Coin Explorers. If you like what we do, press the subscribe button and follow us on the socials. So what is happening with Cristiano Ronaldo's class action lawsuit? First of all, what is a class action lawsuit? It's class action because multiple people were damaged, okay? And they are teaming up together and they open one lawsuit towards the person, company or entity they were damaged by, in this case, Cristiano Ronaldo. However, this is not about his NFTs. Because I don't know if you remember, last year he sold some NFTs. It was the CR7 NFTs on the Binance platform, and the NFTs were worth somewhere around $77. Today they worth only $1. However, that is not the case, because the lawsuit says that people were damaged because Cristiano Ronaldo was promoting Binance, which sold unregistered securities to followers. Therefore, he influenced millions of people to buy and trade unregistered securities, and some people lost their money. Many influential people should be in the same situation, however, they are going where the money is. For me, this class action lawsuit is actually a money grab, a cash grab. They just try to make Cristiano pay as much as possible. $1 billion is a lot of money. And just to break this down to you, this class action lawsuit is the following, okay? I am following somebody who is influential, okay? Anybody, okay, who has lots of people following them. I see an advertisement by said influencer or said sportsman or whatever, you get my point. I go and I start to use that platform, okay? Now, I do see many warnings that this market is very volatile and people can lose money and invest only what you can lose, so on, so on. However, I still decide to take my own money, and by my own decision, I decide to invest. After I invested, I lost some money because the market went down and I sold at the bottom, okay? I didn't wait. I did not want to lose any more money and I just saved what I could. At this moment, I'm getting very upset and I blame the influencer who said that, look, I have NFTs on this platform because he made me aware of this platform. Therefore, I spent my money and lost my money on that. It doesn't feel like the influencer is the problem. It feels like I am the problem. I would be the one who needs to be blamed because I was the one who pressed the buy button, okay? I decided. In the meantime, speaking about buying assets and investing in cryptocurrencies, the market didn't really feel this Cristiano Ronaldo class action lawsuit because actually everybody knows what this is about. Therefore, the news about Bitcoin is that we don't have any news. Bitcoin is still at the 37,700. However, I do think that a bigger move is imminent and Bitcoin will break out in one way. We don't know yet in which one. But if it does, I do think that in a very fast pace, it will reach the next price targets, whether that be in the upside or the downside. The reason I have this opinion is because it is in an accumulation zone for a very long time. Now, if Bitcoin breaks out and starts a downtrend, I do think that the next stop will be at 35,000. The reason I think that is because we do have here a nice support. We have some liquidity there, which the price tends to pick up very often. However, if we get there very fast in like one move or maybe two moves, I'm talking about days, okay, 1 or 2 days, then I don't think that the sentiment will have enough time to digest it. And the bearish sentiment will exponentially increase. Therefore, there is a chance that we will not only touch the 34,000 or the Bitcoin's price will not only touch the 35,000, it will also break it, probably confirm. There will be some buy-ins, okay, a bounce. And after that, we will get to the 32,000 because that is a very important and very strong support, okay? This is where I see Bitcoin coming down. If it reaches this price target, then I do think that many people will buy in and also the big wallets are expecting this to happen. Therefore, I don't expect at this moment Bitcoin to go lower than that. However, touching this lower price target is absolutely possible. It is likely, in my opinion. Therefore, if we start to go down, I will keep my eyes on this movement. Now, if Bitcoin goes up, and actually this rising wedge, which is usually a bearish formation, turns out to be invalidated and the price just breaks this 38,400 resistance, which tends to be or seems to be very strong since Bitcoin touched it like 3 times already. I do think that the next temporary stop will be 40 or 40,500. Okay, that is where I think Bitcoin will just take a breather. However, the market sentiment will just jump so much and people will become so bullish that it is quite possible that the price will rally up to the 48,000, where it will meet a previous very important resistance. From that point, I expect the price to go sideways a bit. It will probably get rejected here and just comes down to 45,000, for example, or even a bit lower, and starts to go sideways for some time. I don't mean it until May, maybe during December and January. But the good news is that if Bitcoin does that sideways movement, altcoins will fly. However, we are not there yet. We still need to see whether the price is breaking out to the lower or to the upper direction, and that will be the deciding moment whether we are opening longs or shorts, whether we are selling or buying. Make sure that you follow this pattern and make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to follow it and I'm going to report it almost every day. Therefore, press the subscribe button. Again, follow us on the socials, and if you liked this content, press the like as well, because you help a lot with the algorithm. Thank you for watching and see you next time.